How to fix League of Legends failed to launch something unusual happened error. So if you want to fix League of Legends failed to launch something unusual happened error, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just press your Windows button and then you need to go with search and search for registry editor. Once you've searched, you need to click on the registry editor, click on yes, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to go with computer and then go with HKey local machine. After that, under the HKey local machine, you will have software, enlarge the software. From the software, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of Microsoft. Go with Microsoft again. From the Microsoft, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find Windows NT. Click on Windows NT and then you will have current version. Click on current version or double click on it. After that, you will find an option of image file execution options. Double click on that again. Now here on the right side, you need to right click on the space, click on new, go with the word 32-bit value, and here you need to enter a name. You need to rename that as dev override enable and hit the enter. And now you need to double click on that. And if the value data is 1, you need to change it to 0 and then make sure that the base is hexadecimal and click on OK. Then you should restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.